everybody. Today we are going to read Time for Kids Cashback. Do you have damaged money? The U.S. government can replace it. Do you know what the government is? The government is a bureau of people, a group of people who make laws and rules. Remaking money. Imagine you've been saving money to buy a new scooter. Finally, you're ready to make the purchase, but your envelope of cash is missing. Then you make a shocking discovery. Your brother accidentally put the envelope through a paper shredder. Do you know what's a paper shredder? A paper shredder is a machine that can cut paper into little pieces. Your cash is confetti. Confetti are small pieces of paper you can throw in the air at parties. Don't panic. The U.S. government can help you get your money back. Eric Walsh says he works for the U.S. Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP. BEP is the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. BEP is the shortcut for what I just said. In Washington, D.C., the BEP is the government office that prints paper money. Walsh works for the BEP's Mutilated Currency Division. Mutilated means seriously damaged. Mutilated is an adjective. His team figures out the value of mutilated money. Then BEP repays the person who sent it in. It's a painstaking job, Walsh told Time for Kids. Painstaking is an adjective, taking great care of and effort. That's what this man is doing over here. He's taking great care and effort. He's working. So, to do their job, BEP examiners use simple tools to separate damaged bills. Some of these cases are giant jigsaw puzzles. Imagine you're trying to you're trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle with millions of pieces. You just have to put them back together. It's just like mending money, fixing money.
Show me the picture. No, here.
Water is one of the most common causes of mutilated currency. Bills harden and stick together. Do you know what bills are? It's another way to say money, or you can say currency. That's another way to say money. Patience pays off. Water and fire are the most common causes of mutilated pieces of currency. The toughest cases are the burnt ones. The notes shrink and like Monopoly money. Notes are money or bills. Tina Barnett says she's a BEP examiner. Her job is to work with damaged bills to make sure a bill is real. Barnett uses a microscope to read its fine print. She also uses special lights. That's what she's doing right over here to see if they're real or not. Otherwise, the job is pretty low-tech, Walsh says. Low-tech is simple technology on the computer. Examiners go through each note and piece it together by hand. They use simple tools such as tweezers, glue, and tape. The hard work is worth it For some of the customers, this is their life-saving, Walsh says, so it's very rewarding to be a bright spot in people's lives. The Money Factory. The U.S. Bureau of Engraving and Printing has a nickname, the Money Factory. Why? Each year it prints billions of dollars worth of paper money. It was founded in 1862 in Washington, D.C. Public tours are available, but don't expect to see nickels or dimes. Coins are made by the U.S. Mint. It's another office. War is one of the most common causes of mutilated currency. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time.